Here I am again, Javier Ibarra from Modern Refinishing. I've been cleaning all the two furniture, and then I've been fox painting. So now all the white drawers are completely white. Just I've been touching just the spots that the one they were missing some paint. So, as I told you, I keep the old finish intact. So the cleaning was hard. I've been putting here all the racks. See, at the right is the white one, on the left all the dust, grease from the furniture. I'm going to put it this way. This furniture has been like 40 years without any cleaning. So imagine your skin like 40 years without any shower or bath. It will be terrible. So you can see there the racks. These are the drawers. I covered the holes for the handles because when the handles, they lose from time to time. So when they lose, the people screw them and screw and force, and that's make like a drill on the wood. And these are the knobs. The right is clean and the left is dirt. You can see the difference. And these are the holes. Now, I did put there, I would cover them with epoxy wood and fox paint. So you can see, and here in the small one, what I have discovered, because you see on the back, there is a small hole there. I thought that somebody did it, but because it is professionally made, I think that was an original hole. I've been reading that the designer, Harvey Probber, he was one of the first to discover that the plan of the modern houses, they were changing. So at the beginning, the houses, you had like very separated rooms, like living room, dining room, TV room, and now he discovered that the living room was going to be much bigger with big windows, and maybe that you were going to make everything in the living room, like you were going to have lunch, or the dining room, it was going to be in the living room. So I've been thinking that maybe this small, what I thought this was a small dresser, I think that can be like a small cabinet media room where you can put the TV on the top, and you can use that hole to put all the cables. So what Harvey Probber thought is to give multi-task uses to the furniture. And maybe this one is a case. You can use this as a dresser, or you can use it as a cabinet media room, or I don't know. These are the doors. Now they look completely different. I don't know if you noticed then on the pictures, but I did shoe polish all the leather, so it's now it's like more brown, more bright. So they're very nice. And that's it. Being fox painting all the furniture. Fox painting is a little bit like a makeup. When you see like there are spots that you have like a big abrasion, and you see the natural wood, in this case the mahogany. So what you try is to make it and to fake the paint, the color of the furniture, and to paint that spot so you don't notice it. It's amazing the difference between the mahogany with the lacquer that is in the top, and here without the lacquer, that is the original color of the mahogany without any finish. Okay, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to give a very light finish, and the next one will be my last video. I'll put all together, and you will see the final furniture completely ready for use, like another 40 or 50 years more. Okay, thank you. Javier Ibarra from Modern Refinishing. Bye.